It is 2 days before Christmas, 60 degrees here in North Carolina, and it has been raining for about 2 days solid, although it has just lightened up. So let's go out and play in the wet backyard. We have a little stream going. Oops, hang on, I'm stuck in the bird bath. Stuck in the bird bath. The bird feeders. It's light enough that the creek isn't overflowing too bad. These are my sparkle balls that I made out of these little solar lights you get on Amazon. I've wrapped them around some chicken wire, and if it gets dark enough, they'll come on while I'm out here. Gracious, we got a couple tree trunks across the creek. And a frog that just jumped in. You can see where the leaves are and where they are not to show how high the creek water has gotten. My garden over here. My sad state of garden this late in the year. I'm embarrassed to show you that. Hopefully there's enough ground to walk on. Not much left. And you can see how the current has just about stripped everything away. This morning I couldn't have stood here. You can see how the debris is piled up against my fence. I'm surprised that didn't get washed away. We'll come back down here. Come here, boy. Here is the mighty coconut. My 17-pound solid white cat. Well, he's usually not solid white. He usually has a grease mark on him from walking underneath people's cars. And he's not too sure what to think about my umbrella. Hey boy, it's just an umbrella. It's just an umbrella. Okay, we can come back down here. I guess because of the tree trunks being in there, the water debris got pushed around and washed all the leaves off the creek here, and it went back around on this side of the trunk. If that thing gets free, it's going to take out the bridge that I built that I'm surprised didn't get washed away. And of course you can see where the leaves have washed away again, so it actually went around the bridge. As you can see, all the debris piled up around and trash. Am I going to be able to fit through here with the umbrella? Let's see. The little S-turn. Oh, I can't get through with the umbrella. I'm going to plant a Lady Banks Anderson rose, have it grow up the tree, and then eventually onto the bridge that I built for my wife for our 3-year anniversary. I was going to do a New England styled covered bridge, but she said she wanted it to remain open. I said, okay, it's your present. So, and the little S-turn as it goes around the break, because water picks its own path. And actually, if you can see where the leaves have been washed away, it went right up over the banks. My disc golf basket there, because doesn't everyone have a disc golf basket in their backyard? And the stream that was made. Hey boy, he has to be in the middle of everything, has to check out what's going on. He's been cooped up for 2 days while it's rained hard too. He wants to get out. It is just soaking wet everywhere. It's almost gonna make a whole new island right here out of the stream. But this is where I hang out when I'm not cutting lenses. Here with my cat Coconut. What is it, boy? So that's it. I'll keep you posted if anything washes away.